Namaste guys, in this video I am going to make a solid disk cam mechanism in solidworks. So go to assembly, click on insert components, click on new parts. Remember I am making all my components in assembly, so click on the edit component, click on front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view, draw a circle, give it a dimension as per your requirement. Here I am giving it dimension of 150 mm. Go to features, click on extrude boss base, go to thin feature, make sure the thickness is 10 mm, click OK. After that select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a center line, select this and click on convert entities, click on offset, select this line, click on bidirection, make it 5 mm, click OK. Now go to trim entities, trim this line and this line. Now go to sketch, click on circular sketch pattern, select this point and select this line, click OK, trim the necessary lines, delete this line, go to features, click on extrude boss base, make it 10 mm, select this face, click on Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle here, make it 10 mm, go to features, click on extrude, extrude up to 30 mm, now let's make our another part. So first exit the component, select this face, okay, click on rebuild, so select this face, click on new feature. So basically I am making the follower, select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, make it 10 mm, height is 120 mm, move this upward, extrude it 5 mm, click OK, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, now draw two circles, make sure that the dia is 10 mm, you can change it as per your requirement, select this circle and move it downward, select this circle and press Ctrl and select this face, click on tangent. After that delete this relation. The reason I am deleting this relation is that so when I do this an analysis of this, it isn't gonna impact on the analysis, and I use the constraint for a very simple reason, to give it a right, to make it a right location. Click OK. Now select this face again, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, now draw a center line from here to here, click on point, select this point, okay, now exit the surface. Now right click on it, click on float, move it backward, select this face, select this face and this face, and make this face to tangent. So now select the right plane of this and go to the mates, select the right plane of the assembly, click OK. Now click on view temporary axis, select this point, click on mates, select the right plane. Okay, the reason I'm not able to move part because it is fixed part, so click on float. After that click on mate, select the right plane, select this temporary axis, click OK. Now select this plate line and the top plane, make it coincident, click OK. So when you rotate this, okay, so let's make it more right, select this face, click on the mate, select the front plane and select this face, click OK. Now select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So when you rotate it, as you can see, it is a cam following mechanism. You can place a something like anything to hold this. The meaning of this tutorial is just to you get the knowledge. So what is basically going on here. Remember, you can also use this point to make a circular motion. If you don't know how to do it, check out the tutorial link in description. That will gonna help you. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And you can also do this animation. For example, go to the motor, select this, click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8 and click on play. The reason it's showing like this because of I have low FPS and my PC is not that good. But I hope that you guys like it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.